welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to check your Nodepay allocation for the just concluded season. Okay, for the just concluded season is a straightforward task and you don't even need much, and I'm also going to show you how you can be able to do it on both your PC as well as on your mobile phone. Straightforward and pretty much easy to do. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is my Nodepay as well as my earnings and my total things that I've been able to do. I'm currently, this is at season 2, which is what it currently is. Then your airdrop checker is what you just need to do is to go to this top on here, okay, at the top right hand corner. Then you just click on it, okay, it will show you every single thing related to it. So from season 1 to season 0, so season 0 to season 1, you already have your node tokens and it will be given to you. So if you did every single thing related to connecting your wallet, verifying your email, as well as sending your wallet address the time that it was requested, then you'll be eligible to get your farm tokens on your airdrop, no matter how small it is. Okay, so that is how to be able to do it on your computer or your laptop. Then log in with your PC. This is how you can be able to check your Nodepay. I normally use both my phone as well as on my PC whenever I'm farming all my DePIN airdrops. Okay, so I do them simultaneously. When my PC is off, I can be able to start using my phone to be able to do it so that I don't lose most of my points or lose any time doing them. So basically it's still the same steps again, just as similar to the other one is on the Nodepay checker here. If this thing is not showing on yours, that means you probably may not be eligible for the airdrop, or you did not connect or do the required task the time that it was given to you. So even if you don't do it, just gear up for season 2, which is currently ongoing. So you can click on it here and it will also show you the same exact thing for both season 0 as well as season 1. That's 145, like I showed you on my PC, as well as the season 2 will be announced. Okay, so the thing is, the finalization for Nodepay in terms of giving out the allocation, probably they're going to give the season 2 again, which is ending by Q1 of next year. Okay, so they will accumulate it and be able to give out the exact tokens completely. So that's basically how every single thing related to Nodepay in terms of their airdrop checker can be done both on your PC as well as your laptop. My name is Odis Profit. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.